In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Trello board background. By the end, you'll know exactly how to refresh the look of any board with a photo, a color, or your own custom image, while keeping everything easy to read for you and your team. Start by opening Trello and heading to your boards view. This is the hub where all your boards live, so pick the one you want to customize. Once the board opens, look to the top right for the three-dot icon. That's the board options menu. Click it to open the panel and then choose Change Background. This is where all the visual options live, and any change you make will apply instantly so you can preview as you go. If you'd like something more visual, choose the Photos option. Trello provides a curated collection you can browse or search. Click any image to apply it immediately. As you try a few, pay attention to contrast. Lists, cards, and labels should remain easy to read. Images with clean areas or softer tones tend to work best. If something feels too busy, try a different photo or switch to a simpler option. Prefer a clean, minimal look? Select colors. Solid or subtle gradient backgrounds keep focus on your tasks and improve legibility, especially for dense boards with lots of cards. Colors are quick to swap and are a great choice for shared boards where clarity matters most. If you want full control, use the custom option to add your own image. Choose a high-resolution, landscape-oriented photo so it doesn't blur when stretched. Avoid images with heavy text or high-contrast patterns behind your lists. Also make sure you have permission to use the image. Depending on your Trello plan, custom backgrounds may require a paid tier. If you don't see the option, that's likely why. After you pick a background, scan your board. Check that list titles, card names, and labels are readable. If labels or text blend into the background, try a darker or lighter color, a softer photo, or adjust the image you uploaded. Remember, nothing here is permanent. You can click another option at any time and Trello will apply it instantly and save automatically. That's all there is to it. Open your board, use the three-dot menu, select Change Background, and choose between photos, colors, or a custom image. Keep readability in mind, and you'll have a board that looks great and still helps you get work done. Enjoy personalizing your workspace.